have the patience. So.
Okay, I'm gonna have patience.
Are you?
I'm gonna have patience.
You keep moving, and that's making me mess up.
But I'm trying to put the blanket on, but I keep on.
JB Moro, go and get your bag.
Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made it smooth. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick. Right amount of slapping me up, think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels that I got you to know. We'll never fall out of love with you. Choo.
in peace. Cause all of these niggas cheat on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you wanna waste your time, waste your time. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. Giving you what you need. Waste your time with me. You could have all the space. It's so precious. You just got time to waste it. And nothing right about them. Girl, you wanted, I see. And I am who I am. And I be what I be. If you ever hit me on the night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. You gonna waste your time. Waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you mess around the brand, know you happy.